Hi and welcome to Troubleshoot This. My name is Chris, and in this episode I will give you guys a quick overview of the build for the custom system that we have been working on. Let's get started. Alright everyone, that is the build for the spring system that we have, and well, we got the fence replaced here, that way they're all uniform. These are actually the better in-wind Jupiters that push a lot of air. That way any heat coming from our Intel processor here can be dissipated on the way out through those radiators. 16 gigs, 2x 8 gig of Trident Z RGB RAMs, and of course our 3060 Ti. There you go, all its glory. And yeah, since this build is so far, well, as far as right now is completed, we are going to be sending this to one of our test stations so we can slap an OS on it and test for thermals and everything before taking its pictures. That way we can have it sent out to the winner once the raffle is over, or once the winner is drawn. So thank you for joining me on this one. It was quite the build. Took us quite a while to do this, but you know, just subscribe to the channel if you like this. Hit that bell icon and be notified of any new projects that I will be doing in the future. So there you go, I'm just going to go one more on this, and I am out of here. Thanks for watching. Thanks so much for watching, and if this video helped you out, please hit that like button, and if not, then leave a comment down below so we can troubleshoot your issues further. And lastly, don't forget to click that subscribe button and that bell icon as well so you can be notified of the new helpful troubleshooting videos once they are uploaded. We'll see you on the next one.